Amalgamation 12. It's a group show of about 24-25 artists, and we have very senior as well as upcoming artists, but all of them very talented. And it's a mix of photography, we have sculptures as well as paintings. So I'll make you go through the whole exhibition. Please come along with Aparimita Sapru, the curator, that is me, and have a look at the exhibition. This is our very senior artist and author, Mr. Prakash Pal Joshi. His beautiful abstracts. And the Bal Gopal series by Subodh Poddar. Please come here, we'll show you his other collection also. This is very interesting. This is based on, this concept is for children in the sense that it is a kind of a teaching process to make children interested in art. So it's very appealing and it's attractive, and it's something different also. It's abstract plus realistic plus mixed media kind of a thing. The artist is Bhavya Ramakrishna. This is again a very creative form of art by Firdaus. Huge painting. Then this is Monica Chalma. She believes in the concept of friendship, love, innocence, and she's depicted all that in her paintings, beautifully depicted. This is Mr. Ramani Narayanan. He's come up with this beautiful collection of abstracts which speak a lot. So you have to actually stand here and have a look at the paintings, and then you go into the depths and understand the beauty of them all. This is also very, it's a lovely series. This is about children, their playfulness, their innocence, and mother and child love, connection. So beautiful figures, lovely expressions. The artist is Uttara Samant. This is Rakhi Shah, prominent artist. She's done these beautiful acrylics with mixed medium. So something quite different. They're circular and very creative. So renowned artist Suresh Gosavi ji, and beautiful work. He's done realistic with a lot of abstract, with a lot of impressions in the back. So it's a very creative form of mother and child. And his elephant series, you can have a look at the beautiful colors, look at the blending. He's made some sculptures also. We'll make you go through them once we are through with the paintings. Sudhir Fadnis ji, beautiful collection. This is all based on Sudhir Fadnis ji, beautiful collection of Tantra art. Lovely work, look at the textures, look at the finish, and very attractive. Promising artist Rachna Aga, she does pen and ink works, and there's a color to one of Kamdhenu, and this speaks about her inner self, isolation, landscapes, the lovely texture quality. It's a mix of creative as well as realistic, so I really like this also. Everybody's collection is lovely and unique here. Mr. Lachman Matlani, he's travelled all over the world and he's captured all that essence in his work, So it's all different countries that are represented here. So there's Amsterdam, there's Galactica Tower, there's all different European countries, beautiful colors, textures, it's all acrylic and very pleasant to look at. So this is our one and only photographer in the group. She's very creative. Her name is Ankita Bhatnagar, and she's come up with these beautiful landscapes. So please have a look and appreciate it. They're really different. They're unique. Look at the lovely colors here. She's worked in watercolor. This is Padma Srinivasan's work. And this is based on Tantra art as well as women empowerment. And how Stree is Shakti. It's beautifully depicted here. Look at the color scheme. It's fantastic. This is Ujjwala Surpade. She does these beautiful flowers in oil. You know, you actually feel as if you're sitting in a garden scale, and you feel like keeping on looking at them. That's the beauty of these flowers. This is our abstract plus realistic combination is what she does. This is Alka Pandey's work. It's kind of, you know, it's a creative abstract, creative landscapes that she's doing along with total abstracts. So this is a lovely depiction of that. And you can have a look at this, and this one is a total abstract. This is called intersection, and you can actually see intersections here. Quite nice and creative. This artist is Devulati Sen. He's come up with this beautiful collection of artwork. Look at the textures. You know, there's Shiva here, there's Buddha there, there's Ganesha. It's an amalgamation, truly an amalgamation of all the different worlds, and you know, like the deep understanding of what you are is represented in these different beings, divine beings. This is Priya Kataria, and she has come up with this beautiful collection. It is like these are mandalas which have different color creations in them, and one is like they're all different gemstones. They represent different different feelings, different emotions, and in the center is Ganesha, Lord Ganesha.
Is that on
This is Mr. Atish Kobarkade. He has done these beautiful abstracts with a lot of mixed medium like rubber balls and stuff. And you can have a look at his sculptures also. Very unique, something very different. With a lot of mixed medium. There are these mugs, acrylic mugs which he's used. Look at this one. It's beautiful. And then of course Suresh Kosavi's elephants, they're fantastic on fiberglass. I think they're amazing. Just kindly have a look at them.
See, this is. It's only one.
I'll take you across to the other. Pal Gopals. Now these are his sculptures, beautiful pieces. This one is actually, it has 24 karat gold, and these two are, they're all based on Mohenjo-daro. Beautiful pieces and beautifully framed also. Beautiful piece by our very senior Amrit Raj Koval.
Yes.
Very beautiful abstracts by Chandrika Chandran. Just have a look at the bold colors, look at the concept. Lovely.